guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video. You'll have to excuse the helmet here, I've just got off the bike. I was riding the bike down the road and I realised I've not shown you how I pack my bike on these trips. Admittedly, this isn't a great example of it because I'm a bit overpacked, because I've purchased a few gadgets recently and I've brought them along to test them out before I talk to you guys about them. So without further ado, let's have a quick tour around the bike and I'll show you what's in what bag and where it is on the bike. Okay, time to change the camera angle. So here she is, guys, all loaded up and ready for action. You'll notice that I've got a set of front panniers on there, and on this side this contains all the tools I might need: a puncture repair kit, a pump, and my brew kit. So if I want to stop off along the way and make a quick cuppa, there is always a bottle of water somewhere on the bike, and my little Avenue in just the titanium cup lives in there. On the other side at the front, in that pannier, that front pannier, is all of my waterproof gear. If we move on to the tank bag, that's basically got everything I wouldn't want to leave with the bike if I was leaving the bike for any reason and going for a wander around. So that just zips off, and there's a shoulder strap inside it, and I can take everything of value with me. So that would have all of my electronics and things like that in it. Moving to the rear of the bike, on this side, that pannier there is my wardrobe. That pannier there is my kitchen, and on this trip I took enough food with me for about 4 or 5 days, because I was trying out some of those feed instant meals where you might have seen one of them on the review, and I've got to admit I'm loving them so far. Strapped across the seat is a waterproof bag, and that has got tent, sleeping mat, pillow, sleeping bag liner, tarp, a pole for the tarp, etc. in there. So anything what's around camp setup is in there, and there's a 1 litre water bottle in there as well. And at the very back of the bike is the top box, and I travel with the top box as empty as I possibly can. It will always have a little bit of things in there, but I always want enough room in that top box that I can stash my helmet in there. So that's my setup, guys. Like I say, she's a bit overloaded this trip, but I hope it's been of some use to you guys. If you're interested, leave a comment and I will do a more thorough breakdown of what's in what bag. Okay, guys? So guys, that was just a brief rundown of what's on the bike. It's a lovely little spot, this, I must admit. The birds are singing. Yeah, there's a bit of road noise in the background, but it's beautiful in the just on the sort of edges of Thetford Forest. So I think I'm going to find a nice picnic bench, get the brew kit out, and I'm going to have a cuppa while I'm here. I'm trying to decide where to head next. Okay guys, hope it's been of some use to you, and I'll see you in the next one, and keep on dabbling.